Helium 10 product research, how to find winning product on Helium 10. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can find winning Amazon FBA product on Helium 10. So let's get started. Now, first off, you need to click on sign up for free on Helium 10, and you can easily sign up with your email and start making money on Helium 10. Once you have signed up, this is going to be your basic dashboard, and this is just a very saturated dashboard. You don't need to get confused with all of these different tools. You just need to click on tools at the top. Just forget about all of the rest, is a bit too much for a beginner, but you're just going to go onto the tools section, and then you're going to go and click on black box. So you're just going to click on black box over here, and then this is going to open up the Helium 10 black box tool. Now, the black box tool is specifically designed for Amazon product research, and you can research products according to their category, their keywords, their competitors, the niche that they are in, and specific product targeting as well. So there are many different ways that you can find winning products. The strategy that I would suggest to you guys is the keyword strategy. So what is the keyword strategy? First off, you're going to click on keywords over here. Once you have clicked on keywords, this is going to be the next page that you're going to have. So you're going to have a search volume question. So you're going to add that to 20,000. So this is going to be how many searches people have made for this keyword. Then you're going to have monthly revenue. So we want at least a minimum of $5,000 as our monthly revenue. Then you want to go for the price. And I have set the price between $13 to $50. And I would suggest that you don't go any lower than $10 or $9, because then you're going to have to incur shipping costs and all of that, and selling products for such a low price is usually not that worth it. Unless you have very high volume sales, you're not going to be able to make a profit. After that, you have to add your review count, and we want a maximum of 4,000 reviews. And you might be wondering, why would I add a maximum amount of reviews? Wouldn't a product with more reviews means that it is a good product? Well, a product with more reviews means it is a product that is already being sold by thousands of sellers. So if I go onto Amazon and I search for t-shirt, then thousands and thousands of people have already listed several t-shirts in any design that I could possibly imagine. So we can see over here there are over 70,000 results for t-shirts, and this is why you don't want a product with a lot of reviews, because a lot of reviews means a lot of competition. Now, next up, you need to add a advanced filter. So you're going to open up your advanced filters, and you're going to add your competitor revenue, which needs to be more than 2,500, and then you're going to add your competitor reviews. So we want less than 150 competitor reviews, and we want a competitor rating below 3.75. So we're just going to click on search now. So once you click on search, you're going to scroll down over here, and now you're going to see different keywords that are selling. So Christmas gift bags, home decor accents, bathroom trays, vanity trays, hippie accessories, monkey costumes, boho curtains, and you need to scroll down. And what you need to keep in mind is, first off, you need to see the sales to reviews ratio, and then you also need to see their best sales period. So if their best sales period is very less, then you need to know that they might be a item, or this might be a keyword that is for a item that is falling down. And you might be wondering, these are just keywords, how do I actually get these products? Well, what you're going to do is, once you have decided on a certain keyword where you find that this keyword has a good revenue, it has a good review, it has a good BSR, and BSR is the rating that Helium 10 gives to a product if it is good enough to start selling with your business. Now, the higher the BSR, the better. So, and you need to make sure that you know the monthly sales of the product that you choose. So this person is doing 1,300 monthly sales. This person is doing 200. This person is doing 4. So you need to make sure you have a high volume of monthly sales as well. So you could see the advent calendar for boys has sold out pretty well, but right now it is October. So selling a calendar for the entire year is probably not going to be profitable. So you can make an advent calendar for the month and then start selling that as well. So once you have decided on a product that fits your overall budget as well as the niche that you are looking to target, you're just going to select one. So in my situation, I'm going to select Gabby's Dollhouse. And once I have selected a niche, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it to Amazon. And then I'm going to get a real world review of the items that are selling very well. So you can see over here, this is just a specific cartoon toy doll who is doing very well in sales. So any product related to this cartoon toy doll is going to do well. And once I have taken a look at the different products that are available alongside this keyword, I'm just going to go on to Alibaba, and then I'm going to find products that are related to this cartoon and start using Alibaba or AliExpress as my supplier, and then start selling that on Amazon. So this is one of the foolproof ways that you can find the winning product on Helium 10. Now, another thing that you can always do is if you go onto the tools section or you go into the black box, you can always do product research with product categories. And if you're looking to sell a product within a certain category, you don't want to move out of that category, then this is a better tool for you. So you're going to select the category that you want. Let's say we want to go in clothing. You're going to add your monthly revenue to a minimum of $5,000. Then you're going to add the pricing between 12 to 50, and then you're going to add your review count, so you don't want anything over 1,000 reviews. And then you're going to go into the advanced settings, and then you can go into the seller search, so you can see the exact seller names as well if you want to target or replicate a certain seller's items. But it really just depends if you have already decided on a certain item. So after that, you're just going to click on search, and then you're going to scroll down, and Helium 10 is going to load some of the best selling products. So you can see over here, this set is actually pretty interesting because there is only one seller for this. The seller has made a monthly revenue of a whopping $11,000, and they have increasing monthly sales as well. So overall, I do think this is also a good product to sell, but if you don't like it, you can always scroll down and see the amount of sellers and the amount of revenue that they are generating and make a quick comparison on how much you're going to be able to make or how close to them can you become and start making money. Now, once you have found a product using the keyword search or the product search on the black box tool on Helium, what you're going to do is you can actually copy their ASI numbers and start actually viewing details of your actual competitors. So let's say that the product that I chose was baby slides. And although I didn't actually find this via the product or keyword research, I'm just doing this as an example to show you guys what kind of stats you're going to be able to get with their ASIN tools. And I do find that you should cross-check with their ASIN. And how you do that is once you have found a product that you like, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down, you're going to see their product details, and within their product information, you're going to find their ASIN number. You're just going to copy this from here, and then you're going to enter it over here, and then you're just going to click on search. Now, once you do that, it's going to take a look at this product specifically, and you can see over here, this is the product that we were looking at, this green little slide. And what it's going to do is it's going to give me similar items as well and the overall sales trend for this kind of item. It's also going to tell me how many different sellers I have. What is the P index? The P index is basically a stat for whether I should choose to resell or sell this product again. Now, you can see over here that you're going to be able to see the price, the monthly sales for this product, and then you can even see the monthly revenue that each of the seller is making with this product. And this really helps you in knowing the market before you enter it, and that is very essential. When you're looking for Amazon products, you need to make sure that you have a good idea of what the competitors are doing. So make sure that you do add the ASI number and cross-check it once you have found a good product with a good keyword on the black box keyword tool, and then you find that product on Amazon, and then you find it and view the detailed competitors over here on the competitors tool on the Helium 10 black box. So that was it for today. This is how you find the winning product on Helium 10 for your Amazon business. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to start finding your own products to sell on Amazon. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video.